Hello and welcome back to the final episode of this tutorial. This will be the second part of the room setup from last time and some final remarks. So, let's get this finished. So we're back to the beginning of the room scale setup, and this time we have selected full scale. First thing you're going to want to do is clear a play space large enough. 4x5x5 is the average. Although I do suggest you be a little more careful than he was in doing so. Then you're going to want to set up your headset towards your monitor and point a controller at it and pull the trigger. This will calibrate the location. Next, you want to place your controllers on the floor to calibrate the floor, much similar to how you did in the last video with the headset. The next thing you'll be asked to do is use one of the controllers to trace the area you have cleared out. This will determine if your play area is large enough. This is Blackbox's testing room. As you can see, there's not much here and it's perfect for creating a play area. So, you're going to hold the trigger of one of the controllers and slowly walk around the edge of the area you have cleared. Please be careful not to run into anything. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see mine is a little skewed. However, when hitting next, you will see that the computer automatically calculates the area you have. As you can see, we have enough area, and you can edit this if you're not satisfied. That done, you can now use your headset with full range of motion, and that concludes our tutorials. If you've made it this far, I would like to extend my personal thanks and thank you from the staff at Blackbox Realities for watching. If you have any interest in VR or the industry behind it, there are plenty of links you to find. Please go check out Blackbox's website to see more of what they do. And once again, thank you for watching.